Good morning, students. In previous video I told you about past perfect tense. Today I will teach you the fourth kind of past tense, that is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. It is the fourth kind of past tense. Students, in this tense, helping verb is had been. Only one helping verb is used here in this tense, that is had been, and it is used for all kinds of subject. Whether the subject is singular or plural, or I or you, any plural, any subject, singular or plural, all subjects are followed by had been. Second thing, in this tense, verb form, first form of the verb plus ing is used. Third thing, in this tense, time is also given. The work is started and the action is taken. Time is given in this tense. For showing time, these two words are used in this tense, since or for. I have already told you about the use of since and for in present perfect continuous tense, and I have told you that since is used for point of time, like since morning, since yesterday, since Monday, since 2001, since Christmas, etc. So since is used for point of time and for is used for period of time, like for 4 hours, for 2 days, for many years, for a long time, etc. Now write the rule of positive sentence of this. The rule is, first of all, subject is written, then had been is written, then verb first form plus ing is written, then object is written, then since or for is written. Now write the example of such sentence. He had been writing. He had been writing a story. He had been writing a story since morning. He had been writing a story since morning. This is positive sentence of past perfect continuous tense. As he as a subject has been used here, had been helping verb, from write plus I is writing, then object is story, then since I been used, then time morning. So it is past perfect continuous tense positive sentence. Students, one more example you can write. They had been going to school. They had been going to school for 4 days. They had been going to school for 4 days. It is also positive sentence of past perfect continuous tense. Now students, write the rule of negative sentence. Negative sentence rule write down. Negative sentence rule is, first of all, subject is written, then had is written, then not is written, then being is written, then verb plus ing is written, then object is written, then since or for is written, then time is written. This is the rule. The rule of negative sentence of past perfect continuous tense is first of all subject is written, then had, then not, then been is written, then verb plus ing in object and since for the time. Example you can take. Example: she had not been cooking food. She had not been cooking food for 2 days. She had not been cooking food for 2 days. Negative sentence of past perfect continuous tense. She is a subject, then had and not is then been, then verb plus ing, then object food, then since, then for, then time given 2 days. One more example you can write. You had not been playing cricket for 2 hours. You have not been playing cricket for 2 hours. You had not been playing cricket for 2 hours. It is negative sentence of past perfect continuous tense. Now students write the rule of interrogative sentence of past perfect continuous tense. Write down the rule of interrogative sentence. Interrogative. Write down the rule of interrogative sentence now. Students, I have told you that interrogative sentences are of two types, starting with helping verb or starting with question word. First of all, write down the rule first, in which the sentence is started with helping verb. Write down the rule. The rule is had plus subject plus being plus verb form plus first form plus ing plus object, then for, then since or for, then time. This is the rule. Example you can take. Example is had she been writing a letter for 2 hours. Had she been writing a letter for 2 hours? It is interrogative sentence of past perfect continuous tense, and it is based on first rule. When it is rule first, when the sentence is started with helping verb. She had helping verb at first, then subject she, then being, then verb plus sign in writing, then object later, then then time 2 hours. So it is positive sentence of past perfect. It is a interrogative sentence. Positive sentence not. It is interrogative sentence of past perfect continuous tense started with helping verb. Now students, write one more example. Had they been watching had they been watching TV since 2 o'clock. Had they been watching TV since 2 o'clock? It is interrogative sentence of past perfect continuous tense started with. It is started with helping verb. Had as helping verb used here, then subject they, then being, then verb past ing, then object TV, then since, then and 2 o'clock. Now write the rule of interrogative sentence that is started with question word. Second rule write down. Rule second is first of all question word plus had plus subject plus be, subject plus be plus verb form plus ing plus object plus since alpha plus time. This is the rule. Plus question mark also used. Here also write, you should write question mark. See, first of all question word, then had, then subject, then being, then verb first form plus ing, then object, then since for the time, then question mark. This is the rule of interrogative sentence. It starts with question word. Example 20. Why had you be sitting? Why had you been sitting there for 2 hours? Why had you been sitting there for 2 hours? One more example of this rule you can write. One more example of this rule you can write. One more example. Where had they been? Where had they been playing cricket for 4 days? For 4 days. Where had they been playing cricket for 4 days? In this way, students, today you have studied past perfect continuous tense. You have known that in this tense one helping verb is there. It is had been and it is used for all kinds of subjects. Second thing, in this tense verb first form plus ing is used, and for showing time two words are used, either since or past. I have told you the rule of positive sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. You should write all these rules with example in your fair copy and send it to your respective teacher. Thank you.